Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, January 7th. It's about 10:15 a.m. this morning. It got down to close to zero here last night, somewhere in the single digits. And what I'm doing this morning is going to give you a little review and my thoughts on my outdoor wood boiler. You can see we've got just a skiff of snow on that came a couple days ago and it's hanging around. But what I want to do for you this morning is talk to you about my outside wood boiler. Mine is the Nature's Comfort NCB 175. This is my third winter for this stove. I absolutely love my stove. As you can see, there's icicles hanging off the top of it there. Right now it's just kind of in idle mode. The blower is not in the firebox, meaning the water temperature is up and it doesn't need any air to blow on there. I'm not telling you this is the best wood boiler on the market, but I'm telling you that I think it is as good as any of the best. Maybe as good a way to put it as I know. I haven't had other wood boilers. I've only had this one, but I really like it. I keep my water temperature on about somewhere around 150, and you can see you'll probably kick on soon there. It's dropped down about almost 10 degrees, about 9 degrees. And these stoves are made by the Amish in Shipshewana, Indiana. They got a 20-year warranty on them. This stove does have an ash pan built in, which I love. I don't want to have to shovel and separate coals from fine ashes and all that. I've did a light mount on mine and keep it an LED light. It goes all the time. So we'll open it up. I fired this stove at about 11 o'clock last night. So it's been almost 12 hours. We'll let the smoke come out of it here. And I did load it pretty heavy. It wasn't the best wood. I actually had a big piece of seasoned sycamore in it, a huge piece, which took a lot of the space up in the firebox. But as we get down in here and look, and I use this grubbing mattock to pull my ashes around, you can see that there's still a whole lot of wood actually left in this. So for those of you who aren't used to wood boilers, you might say the fire's out. Well, it's not. As soon as that blower kicks on, this thing will flame right back up. So when I come out and find that I have that many large coals left in it, if I've got time and am going to be around, I'll probably just not put any wood in it and come back out in an hour or so and stir it up again and then put some more wood in it to try to go ahead and burn those coals down. Now if I needed to leave or be gone or didn't want to have to come back out, you can put more wood in it. So that's not a problem at all. That's how I'm going to handle this one this morning. Like I say, this stove is the NCB 175, which essentially means that Nature's Comfort boiler, 175 gallons of water. So that's what the number means on their stoves. And I think the stove weighed about 1,700 pound dry weight. It's made with mild steel. It's not a stainless steel stove. There's people that like stainless, there's people that don't, but I think I would rather have the steel. It does have a water jacket all the way around the firebox. The blower is underneath, not in the door, so there's no water in the door of this stove. This stove is completely manual in every way. It's totally independent of the workings in the house. The only thing out here is a manual hydrostat that keeps the water temperature up, which is connected to this blower that blows on the firebox, which isn't blowing right now, and then the pump, which circulates the water into the house. And I keep that circulating all the time. I never shut that pump off. It's about 50 feet to the corner of my house, which is a pretty short distance, which makes it better for me. Trying to think of anything else I want to share with you about it. Like I say, I do enjoy the stove. It's the best the best heat that we've ever had. We had a heat pump and we froze all the time until I went with wood heat. So I would recommend you checking out Nature's Comfort stoves. They have coal boilers, pellet boilers, and all different kinds of sizes. And anyway, I'd give them a 10 out of 10 right now, as far as I'm concerned. So anyway, appreciate it. Thank y'all for watching.